Eve, you okay? Eve, talk to Mom. Ethan, talk to Mom.
Karen.
Come on, honey. Can you roll over for me? See your face. Okay? Yeah.
What about Karen? What will Karen dinosaurs for me?
Sure, just give me a minute.
Were you recording?
Yeah, I was.
Good.
You okay? Are you feeling better? Yep, look at, there's Daddy sitting in your chair. You see your
No,
feet? Your Mom was rubbing your back?
no, no.
Scarlett's sniffing the...
No,
Scarlett's not on
it's
the camera.
only 1% battery.
Yeah, I know, I gotta go plug it in. That's what I was doing. I was going to go plug it in and then I saw you fell on the
You
floor.
better stop.
Eve. Eve, say hi.
Why?
Come on, Dad, get up, buddy.
Do you wanna go for ice cream? Okay,
Hey,
we
come
gotta
sit with
try
Dad
to
for a
get up.
second.
Okay, we gotta try to get up then. Okay, can you try? I'm trying to watch his face too. Can you bend? Hey, honey. Okay, it's okay. It's okay, honey. Don't worry. It's okay. It's okay, buddy. It's okay.
Playing with his hair.
I know. He's not.
Give me your hand, sweetie.